Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current planner lineup for July. I don't even want to say all of summer 2020 because I changed my mind. But let me go ahead and say that I am a strong believer in having your productivity tools meet you where you are in life, which is why when I switch things up, it is what it is. So I have 3 planners here. Each has a different purpose. So let's go ahead and start off with numero uno, which is my catch-all planner. I was using in the last year really, my planner preference has changed. I was using a bullet journal, then I went to classic momentarily, then I moved into a half letter, then I went back into a bullet journal. I bought one, a Sequins, and then I moved into this mini, and now I'm back in this here, which is more space and it's more that half letter size. Anyway, it's a notebook from Target. It is lined. I did recently do a journal update, and this is my catch-all. This is where I have my notes. This is where I have my daily to-dos. This is where I can journal. This is where I can keep up with my mental health. This is where if I need to map out my bills, I can do that, but I just want to have a running list. I don't want to go too in depth with my bills in here, but basically this is just a catch-all. I'm having a lot of fun planning in here, checking things off, moving on, adding in what inspires me, so I'm loving this so far. But speaking of finances, that is where this planner is going to come back into my rotation. I am really trying to change my relationship with money, and after adding up how much I spent in the month of June alone, it's a reality check that I don't have this together at all. I'm just spending to spend, and I need to get it together. So while I don't talk about my finances a lot here on the channel, simply because I don't like to face that reality that I have a problem, but I'm saying it now. I have a shopping problem, and I just spend, you know why? Because there's no direction. There's no direction for me, so this I'm hoping will give me some direction. I did share this sometime last year. I found this planner at Dollar Tree, and I was using it in November, and I think I used it in December. No, I didn't use it in December at all, but I'm gonna start using it now, and it was only $1, so I don't feel bad for not using it, but also picking it back up, I can play around with it. But the whole purpose is because I want to be able to see my bills on a monthly overview and write in when things are due, and then in the days here I can track my expenses. This is also going to not only make me aware of how much I'm spending, but how frequently I'm spending as well. So this is something I want to check in with every couple of days. I know I'm not going to do it daily. I know myself. But I want to check in with this every couple of days, and then at the end of the week, really look at where I spent the most money and how can I adjust that moving into the next week. So with any habit, it takes time and it takes practice, but that is where I'm at when it comes to my spending. Another thing I really want to do is really focus on a budget. Look at how much income I'm expecting, look at how much my bills are, and then really get down to the nitty-gritty as far as savings, as far as business expenses, because I am still working on my book, and that is going to cost me money to work on the cover and things, like a lot of stuff is coming up. So, and then I also have, events and things that are coming up in the fall. A lot of things with COVID has shifted stuff, but a lot of things are still going on. So I just have to get my money together and I've just been pushing it off, but I'm going to give this planner another try, and I'll be sharing more in my low income budget series. I know I don't share a lot, but again, I don't talk about my finances because it ain't nothing for me to really share if I am just being a fool and just spending willy-nilly. So I'm going to set this up and play with it a little bit more, and once I become more acclimated with this, I'll share an update on it. So that's planner number 2. Definitely need something separate for my finances than just keeping it in here, because having it in here, having a running list, I should say, is fine, but going more in depth, I need a separate system for that. Then we come to number 3, the one I'm most excited about, and this is a Michael's Recollections planner. This is my fun planner. I did have a fun planner in the beginning of the year. It was an enlightenment planner. It is neutral. That is what I wanted in any fun planner, because then you can mix and match your stickers. But that one, I just never reached for it. I'm not really inspired to use it. It's a nice planner. I do have a review on it, but I just wanted something different, and I found this one. If you guys did not see my Michael's shop with me, the products I feel are worth buying, I'll have it linked for you to check out below. But this was one of the planners that I was talking about. So it has the coil. It's this nice denim cover. I'm thinking of putting like some deco in this pocket. I don't know what I'm going to do with the perpetual calendar. It did come with 4 sheets of stickers, some of which I've already used. Then it comes with this pocket. Not sure what I'm going to do with this either. And then here is the July divider, which I do plan on decorating. The monthly, I'm not sure. Another option I had as far as tracking my finances was to put my finances here, since I just wanted that monthly view. But since I do want to go more in depth, I don't want to have to put that in the notes section. And plus, this is my happy place. This is my happy planner. No drama, no business, no adulting, no nothing. Just nice, happy thoughts. This is my happy place. So that's why that idea went in the trash. And I remembered that I had that planner as I was looking on my bookshelf as to, do I need to go buy one? What can I do? So I'm glad that I remembered that I had that one. But this, I don't know what I'm going to do with the monthly. But let me go ahead and show you guys what I've done with the weekly so far. Would you look at this? What? I feel like I am back in 2015 creating planner spreads for the very first time. I love this so much. So a lot of these stickers are from Black owned shops. Primarily, I used a lot of Indian Ivy ink, Fabulously Creative, Capital Chic, the Jewel Box. I'll have all that linked below. And I did recently share the stuff that I purchased from some of the shops I featured in my recent planner haul. The other stuff you'll be seeing, you know, just pop up ever so often. So that was spread number 1. Number 2, this one is from the Planner Society. I shared this kit in my journal update, and I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so nice. And then number 3 is these headers are from Indian Ivy ink. The rest of the stickers are from Wild and Wicked Designs. This was the Selena kit. I already did a plan with me in my mini using this kit, but I had some left over and I was like, it deserves some shine in the spiral planner. So here it is. It is, I'm so happy. I feel like I'm just back in my groove, and this is, I really feel nostalgic planning like this. Would I turn this into my everyday planner? Absolutely not. I like being able to grab my notebook and go. This is literally my peace. This is after a long day, sitting down, pulling out all of my stickers. I have a lot of my stickers now stored in this one from Capital Chic Designs, which is from Michael's, and then this one, which is from Once More with Love from Michael's. And I think I'm going to get the other one like this too. And I saw one on, I just kind of want to move all of my stickers into here now and like go through my stash and really see what stickers I want to start using. But y'all, this, I'm just so happy. I absolutely love this. I will be sharing some plan with me's inside of here, not all the time. And as far as sharing the ones in here, I do have a lot of bullet journal inspiration videos already. So if you see one in here, it's going to be sporadic. But as far as like actual layouts, it's going to be shared from this planner. I do have one that I'll be sharing once I get my stickers from Anika Creative Closet on Etsy. Love her shop. Recently discovered it. If you guys like black and white stickers, she has a lot of great options. So I did order a full kit that I'm pretty sure is gonna be like 2 spreads inside of here, which I'm excited. I'm excited if you guys can't tell. I love this. So I'll be sharing pictures on my Instagram. I'll also be sharing in the community tab. But if you guys aren't following me on IG, please do for real-time updates. But that wraps it up for this video. The 3 planners that I'm using. We have this one, which is my fun planner. This one, which we're going to try out for budgeting. And then this one, which is my catch-all. And that is that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section. And let me know what planners you're using for the month of July. Going forward, what have you been using? Let's chat more there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have products featured, related videos, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? It is officially summer 2020 and I have a lot of fun things coming, so hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on every time I post a video. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.